Now, how I push this piston back in the caliper. So you will see a sort of a connector, like a nipple right here. Of course, I secured the assembly, the caliper assembly. I secured it with a wire because I don't want any tension. I don't want that hose to break. I don't have time to chase for a new hose. I hope it'll last me a couple of more years. And so I am holding the whole caliper, and I've undone this little nipple, this little plug. So that's for removing the air. That's the purpose of so you should use a vacuum pump, but like I said, I don't have much tools on me here. And so what I did, I undone that nipple, that connector out, or plug, how you want to call that thing, and with my hands, 2 fingers, I push the piston in. So you will see some liquid, some brake fluid coming out. So you need to collect that fluid because it's not not really good for the environment, and is leaving some stains. So once this one is almost flush with a caliper surface onto this area, then you tighten back. You make sure you don't get any air bubbles. So you tighten this connector here, and then you're ready to install the